morning, third graders. Hi, Mrs. Scoto's class. Good morning, Miss Beaver's class. Hi, my spunky Miss Turk's class. I miss you guys so much. Today is Wednesday, April 1st. I almost feel like it's April Fool's because I don't have you guys in here, but I miss you guys. Today's math lesson is a continuation. We are in our hard books on page 454, 455. We are on lesson 21.3. And we are going to regroup more than once. Our objective is to multiply 3 and 4 digit numbers, regrouping more than once. Don't be worried about it. We've been doing hundreds and now we're doing thousands place. It's the same. You're going to use the same steps as you did with the hundreds, okay? It says no matter how large the numbers and how many times you need to regroup, the rules for multiplication will remain the same. Ladybugs help protect plants from harmful insects. Mr. Kwan buys ladybugs for his gardens. If there are 185 ladybugs in one order, how many ladybugs will Mr. Kwan receive in 5 orders? So this is still the hundreds digits. It's what we've been doing. So if you have a piece of scratch paper or a whiteboard, or you have a whiteboard app, you could go ahead and work this problem with me. So we're gonna say the 185 ladybugs times the 5 orders. 5 times 5 is 25. Put your 5 there, carry over. 5 times 8 is 40, plus the 2 would be 42. And 5 times 1 is 5, plus 4 is 9. So you should get 925. Our next step is to do the 4-digit numbers, which is thousands place values. I'm going to go ahead and put on a small video for the math antics. We did it with him a few days ago with the 3 digits, and now he's going to help us out with the 4-digit numbers, and then we'll work some more problems together.
Let's multiply 2,617 by 4. Again, we stack our problem with the ones places lined up, and we make sure that the number with the most digits is on top. Because our top number has 4 digits this time, it means we'll break this problem up into 4 small multiplication steps. We'll multiply the bottom digit by each.
Before he continues, I would love for you to set this problem up on a piece of scratch paper, and you can either pause the video and work it, or you can do it along with him if that makes you feel more comfortable. Either way.
Each digit in the top number, starting with the ones place on the right and working our way left. Okay. Here we go with the first step. We multiply the bottom digit by the top digit in the ones place. 4 times 7 equals 28. Because we have a 2-digit answer, we need to carry the digit that'll be in the way. We're going to add it back in after we complete the next multiplication step. So we carry the 2 to the top of the tens column, and we leave the 8 where it is. Now we can do the second step. We multiply the bottom digit by the next digit in the top number. 4 times 1 equals 4. That was easy. But don't forget about that digit we carried. We need to add that to our answer from the second step. So 4 plus 2 gives us 6. And that's what we put in our answer place. And this time we have a 1-digit answer, so we don't need to carry. We can just move on to the next step. For our third multiplication step, we'll multiply 4 times 6. And that gives us 24. Yep, it's a 2-digit answer, so we'll need to carry again. The 4 stays in the answer, and the 2 moves up to the top of the thousands column. Now it's time for the fourth and last step. We multiply 4 times 2, which is 8, but then we need to add the digit we carried, which is a 2. So 8 plus 2 gives us 10, and that can go down in our answer line. Even though it's a 2-digit number, we don't have to carry because we're all done with our multiplication steps, and we have our final answer. 4 times 2,617 equals 10,468.
I'm going to back that up just for a second so you can see.
Even though it's a 2-digit number.
So if you got 10,468, go ahead and pat yourself on the back. Good job. If not, don't feel discouraged. We're going to work a few more together, and you can keep practicing this on your own at home as well. So if you take out your homework sheet, we're going to practice a couple together on that. And the first one we're going to look at is we're going to look at number 6, and it's 2,116 times 3. first thing we're gonna look at, just like we did when it was a hundredths place value, we're gonna say 3 times 6 is 18. And you're gonna carry your 1. 3 times 1 is 3, plus the 4, we can't forget, or the 1 up above, we can't forget it, makes our new answer 4. 3 times 1 is 3. There's no carryover number, so we could just continue. And 3 times 2 is 6. So your answer for number 6 should be 6,348. All right, I'm going to go ahead and write number 9 on the board. That's 5,210 times, I believe it said 9, times 9. All right, so I'm going to go ahead. I want you to pause the video. I want you to write this problem down, and I want you to try to work this one on your own. Go ahead and pause the video. Once you restart it, we're going to go ahead and work it. So 9 times 0 is 0, because anything times 0 is 0. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18, so you're going to put the 8 down in your answer, but you have to carry over the 1. And 9 times 5 is 45, plus the 1, don't forget it, makes it 46. So we got a big number here. You have 46,890. So go ahead and continue with these problems. We would like you to try to do the spiral review as well. It's input output. We have done that in the past. Go ahead and work your word problems. Again, if you have any questions on any of the problems that we're doing today, please feel free to email your teacher. We love you guys. We'll see you later. Bye.